enrolling in De La Salle University, Manila, you have made the right choice. The right choice to quality education, first-class facilities, outstanding extracurricular programs, and front-row seats to cheer for the Green Archers in the next UAP season. But as a member of the Lasallian community now, we are all equally challenged to examine our bigger societal responsibility in line of our Christian faith. On behalf of the Student Council, I would like to invite each and every one of you to become actively involved and maximize your stay in De La Salle University to become Lasallian achievers for God and country. Welcome, Froshies, and Animo Lasal!
The right to appeal decisions within the university and ultimately to the Commission on Higher Education. This was taken from the...
Students shall have the right to freely choose one's field of study. This was actually taken from Chapter 2, from the original Chapter 2, which is admission...
The searches made at the entry and exit points in the university, these searches are valid
and the promotion and protection of common interests. The university recognizes the importance of developing creative and responsible student leaders who will eventually assume the mantle of